Hello everyone, welcome to your SST class. In this video, we will discuss chapter number 4, Hot and Cold. We can say it weather and climate. Weather refers to a temporary state of heat, cold, wind, air pressure, rainfall, moisture in the atmosphere at a particular place and time. A sunny morning may change into a cloudy evening. We can say that weather changes frequently. On the other hand, climate is more permanent state. It is average weather condition of an area over a long period of time. Climatic conditions of a place is normally stable. For example, the climate of Delhi is cold in December. Weather is a short term atmospheric condition of any place which may vary from time to time. All weather take place in atmosphere. The weather can change from day to day and even within the same day. We must say that weather is very dynamic and can change by the minute. The weather of a place can change rapidly. For example, weather of our town is sunny in the morning, but it can be cloudy in the evening. In the same way, it is rainy in the morning, but in the afternoon it is bright and sunny. The weather of a place depends upon some components like the temperature, the moisture in the air pressure, and the movement of air or wind. Further, we will discuss it in detail. Temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of the atmosphere. The sun is the source of heat, and the amount of heat decides the temperature of a place. It is an important factor in determining the weather condition. The heat received from the sun is called insolation. All parts of the earth do not get same amount of heat. The temperature of the atmosphere rises when the amount of heat rises. This is the reason we have different temperature zones on the earth. Ocean is the place where most of the earth's water bodies exist. Other water bodies which subsequently increase the temperature of water present in them. Consequently, some water evaporates as vapor into the air. The heat of the sun converts water into water vapor. Water vapor droplets join together to make clouds. Water vapor is always present in the water. Atmosphere maintains the temperature of the earth. After the process of condensation, water vapor turned into its solid form, which falls to the ground in the form of rain and snow. Water evaporates much more quickly from oceans affected by the warm ocean currents. As a result, the areas which are near to the coast are likely to have more rainfall. The next element is the pressure of air that affects the weather. Air pressure is within the atmosphere of the earth. It is the weight of the air. Under high pressure, we can generally expect sunny weather, which means if air pressure increases, the temperature increases. If air pressure decreases, the temperature also decreases. This is the reason why air gets colder at higher altitudes where air pressure is low. Warm air rising creates a low pressure zone at the ground. When it reaches at the ground, it creates high pressure zone. Air blowing from the areas of high pressure to the low pressure creates winds. Warm air can hold more moisture than cold air. Heated air expands and becomes much lighter, so it goes up. As we move from high pressure areas to low pressure areas and bigger the difference between the pressures, the faster air will move from high to the low pressure. The rush of air is the wind we experience. Breeze is the light, gentle wind. It blows from 100 to 50 km in an hour. Breezes are the differences in the air temperature. Weather changes on the day-to-day basis. The sun's energy and angle directly affect in air pressure and temperature, which result a change in weather. A sunny day is a day when there are very little or no clouds in the sky. In summer season, we experience more sunny days when the days are warmer. A cloudy day is referred when at least half of the sky is covered with clouds. Due to clouds in the sky, there is the lack of intensity of the sun rays. A windy day is also a part of change in the weather. When the wind is blowing hard actively during the day and night. In winter, some days are foggy days. Fog is a cloud that touches the ground. Fog forms when air near the ground cools enough to turn into water vapor into liquid water. During cool day, the sun rays are slanting, which result in the low temperature. It can be as low as 10 degrees, 0 degree and even minus 5 to 10 degree. Well, rest of the topic we'll discuss in the next video. Thank you.